Hello. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Can we talk about family?
Yes, of course. Let's talk about family.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Who are they?
My father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and me.
That's nice. Do you love your family? What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
That's a good job.
Yes, he works at a school.
And your mother?
My mother is a nurse.
Where does she work?
She works in a hospital.
Do your parents work hard?
Yes, they work very hard.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have one brother.
How old is he?
He is 15 years old.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have one sister.
How old is she?
She is 10 years old.
What do you do with your family?
We eat dinner together.
That's nice. Do you watch movies with your family?
Yes, we watch movies on the weekend.
Do you travel with your family?
Yes, sometimes we travel.
Where do you travel?
We travel to the beach.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
Do you love your parents?
Yes, I love my parents very much.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help them at home.
Do you take care of your family?
Yes, I take care of my family.
Is family important?
Yes, family is very important.
Thank you for talking about family.
You're welcome. It was nice.
I like talking about family.
Me too. Family is special.
Yes, family is... Hey, do you mind if we talk a bit about family today?
Not at all. Family is always an interesting topic.
Great. So, tell me a little bit about your family.
Well, my family is quite close. There are 4 of us. My parents, my younger brother, and me.
That sounds nice. Do you all live together?
Yes, we still live together, although my brother is thinking about moving out soon.
What are your parents like?
My father is very hardworking and disciplined. He works as an engineer. My mother is more relaxed and friendly. She's a teacher, and she really enjoys working with children.
That's a good balance. Strict father, kind mother.
Yes, exactly. I think that's why our family works well.
Do you get along with them?
Most of the time, yes. But of course, like in any family, we sometimes argue.
And what about your brother? What's he like?
He's 18 and he's very energetic. Sometimes he's a bit annoying, but he's also very funny.
Typical younger brother. Do you spend much time together?
Yes, we play football together and we often watch movies at night.
Do you argue a lot?
Sometimes, but at the end of the day, we support each other.
What about your extended family? Do you see your grandparents often?
Yes, we visit them once or twice a month. They live in the countryside.
That must be relaxing.
It is. I love spending time there because the atmosphere is peaceful and...
Does your family have any special traditions?
Yes, every Sunday we eat lunch together. Also, on New Year's Eve, we all meet at my grandparents' house and celebrate until midnight.
That sounds lovely. Do you enjoy those traditions?
Yes, I think traditions help families stay connected.
I agree. My family also has traditions, like watching movies together on Fridays.
That's a nice way to bond. What values have your parents taught you?
They taught me to respect others, to work hard, and to be honest.
Those are important. Do you think you'll pass the same values on to your children?
Definitely. I think honesty and respect are essential in life.
I feel the same. My parents always told me that family should come first.
That's true. Family is always there for you even when life is difficult.
Do you ever have conflicts in your family?
Of course. Sometimes we argue about small things like house chores or noise.
And how do you solve those conflicts?
Usually we just talk about it and then laugh. We don't stay angry for long.
That's healthy. Some families don't communicate well.
Yes, communication is the key. Do you think families today are different from families in the past?
Yes, I think so. In the past, families were bigger and people often lived with grandparents. Nowadays, many families are smaller.
True. Also, do you want to have your own family in the future?
Yes, I'd like to get married and have children someday.
How many children would you like?
Maybe 2. I think that's a good number.
Do you think it's difficult to raise a family today?
Yes, it can be challenging. Life is expensive and parents are very busy. But I think love and support make it possible.
I enjoyed talking about family with you.
Me too. Family is such an important part of life.
I agree. Without family, life would be very different.
Exactly. Family gives us love, support, and identity.
Well said.